Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel Handmaid of God. My name is Sarah. Thank you for tuning in for another video, and in today's video I will be showing you how we can make your own Paschal candle at home. So let's get started. So firstly, this is how you can make a Paschal candle at home. I just wanted to start off by just telling you what each of these elements here represents. So firstly, we have the white pillar candle, which of course represents Jesus and how sinless and pure he is. And then we have the cross in the center, which represents the cross that he died for us, for our salvation. And then we have the symbols Alpha and Omega at the top and the bottom. This represents Jesus, the beginning and the end, because Alpha and Omega are the first and the last Greek letters. And then I hope you can see it because it's in green. Here I've written the year, which is 2023, so that's how it goes across the cross. You just write the year. And then in the center, if you can see, I have 5 pieces of cloves on the cross. So usually it is some sort of an incense stick that is put on the 4 sides of the cross and one in the center. So because we're doing it at home, I'm using cloves, which is also a spice. So these 5 cloves, they represent the 5 wounds of Jesus. So the entire Easter candle actually represents the beautiful story of how Jesus, from Jesus's birth, of how pure he is, and then his death, and finally the resurrection. And then the Easter candle is lit on Easter and until Pentecost, which is the 50th day after Easter. So you can do that at home as well. You can have it lit every single day until Pentecost Sunday. And also you will also see that when you go for a baptism or weddings, the candle is usually lit from the Easter candle. So it's almost like us coming out from our darkness into new light, Jesus bringing us out of our sin into new life. So this is what the Easter candle represents, and it's a very fun project to do at home with family. This is my first time making it, and of course we had it was very meaningful, especially to do it with my son. It's always nice to do such crafts with kids because you are able to tell them the story of the why we do the Easter candle. You make crafts as such will help them understand our faith a lot better. So let's quickly get into making it. So starting off, I just wanted to show you the things that you would need to make the Paschal candle. So firstly, of course, you would need a pillar candle, a white pillar candle, and then you would also need some permanent markers. Sharpie markers are very good also. Also 5 pieces of cloves. So what I'm going to do first is to draw the cross at the center of the candle, so that way we will know where the other elements would be placed. I'm using a red permanent marker here. So here's my cross, and don't worry about it being perfect because you're doing it for God, so it's okay. It doesn't matter. So next what we're going to do is we're going to write the symbols Alpha and Omega at the top and the bottom. Once you have your Alpha and Omega done, you're going to write the year. So this year it would be 2023. This is how you will put it. We are going to add in our cloves. I'm going to add 4 cloves on the 4 sides of the cross and 1 in the center. Here we have it. Our Paschal candle is ready, and you can have it lit up from Easter until Pentecost, which is the 50th day after Easter. And I just thought it would be a fun video to put out as we are approaching Easter, and it's always nice to know something new. So I hope you enjoyed this video, my friends, and I hope you all have a very blessed day. I will catch you all in my next video. Until then, take care, stay safe, and God bless. Bye bye.